Question 32. How can I improve my credit report after I file for bankruptcy? Most attorneys are taught in law school that if someone files for bankruptcy protection, they can achieve a fresh start. And therefore, so many of the ads by attorneys say, file bankruptcy and get a fresh start. But after many years of practice, I have found that this statement is only 50% correct. I have discovered with my clients that a good credit score is really a fresh start. That's what I have discovered. When you file for bankruptcy, your credit score is frozen at what it was just before you filed bankruptcy. Now, if you have a high credit score, we have found clients still have a good credit score. And if you file for bankruptcy and you haven't been paying on your debts, you're going to have a low credit score. And the criteria which goes into creating your credit score does not include the filing of bankruptcy. Now, I don't have enough statistical data of comparing clients who have had high credit scores and what their credit scores are post-bankruptcy. But we have had clients who are current on their debts to the moment of filing bankruptcy, and they have continued with a good credit score immediately post-bankruptcy. We have conducted full-time experimentation in helping clients use the Federal Credit Reporting Act to improve their credit scores. But due to the fact that clients really couldn't afford our services, we suspended this service. But most of our clients still need help with improving their credit scores. And I defined a fresh start as having a good credit score. Therefore, I give all our clients the 2-hour seminars and DVDs and materials, which I've shown on previous questions. Here they are again. This seminar concentrates on credit score improvement and has the 2 booklets with it. We call the materials the Fast Track to Credit. 80% of the program involves your positive, determined, and persistent attitude to improve your credit score. I have many specific steps and procedures you should use, but unless you have a positive and determined and persistent attitude to use the tips and special procedures, you could improve your credit report in a haphazard method on your own, but it won't be anywhere near the speed and efficiency that you need. I give to all my clients what I call the abbreviated program for credit improvement. It's a do-it-yourself approach to credit score improvement. There's no additional charge for these materials. I have a full 1-year program, a course, which I specifically developed in order to qualify a client to buy a home post-bankruptcy within 1 year of filing. We have a special e-learning website called www.pennywatchers.org, which my clients can use, and there's again no additional charge for using this website. I view a fresh start as obtaining a good credit score and not just burning the field and getting rid of the debt. Yes, burning the field is very efficient and worthwhile, but then you have to go onto the field and prepare the ground for planting. You have to pull out the tree stumps and boulders and prepare the ground for planting by sifting the soil and removing all the rocks that are as big as bowling balls. Farmers use fire as an accelerant to remove all the heavy underbrush and trees. We use bankruptcy as an accelerant to remove all your debts. But then, like the farmer who wants to grow a crop by burning the field, you should want to develop a good credit score when you get rid of all your debts. Most clients more than understand this point, but I have a significant number of clients who don't listen to this advice, and then when they go to get a car loan or a mortgage or any credit, they are charged high interest rates because they have a low credit score and not because they filed bankruptcy. After a number of years of being kicked in the pants, even the most hardened client remembers what I've told them, and then they really start using my materials. And these materials have homework assignments which go for at least 1 year, if not for the rest of your life. When clients come back to see me about their credit problems, the first question I ask them, where's your homework assignment? And if they don't have anything to show for their homework assignment, I usually reissue them my materials and tell them, now start doing your homework. The problem I find, as I have said, is that a positive and persistent attitude is 80% of obtaining a good credit score. And then the other 20% is listening to all that I have discovered and working with clients who have dramatically improved their credit score. And one particular client who had over $150,000 in credit card debt in his bankruptcy filing achieved a FICO score of 713 within 24 months post-bankruptcy.